Hey, good morning. This is Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. It is a rainy day. We got started with an adjuster appointment. We got the roof done, and then it just started coming down. So we're still working, but I wanted to show you something. One of the things that when we have a hailstorm coming through and it's significant, and we're dealing with older windows, you can see this kind of damage. This is what we refer to as vinyl beading. And it is this really it really is a cosmetic item that we have on these. These are aluminum windows. They're not the energy efficient windows, but it's aluminum windows. But it's something that needs to be addressed. And of course, you can see the chop marks that the adjuster did, where we got hail all over the screens. So they're going to replace the screens. But you know, a lot of times, and you know, we can come through and we can try to pop out this vinyl beading and not disturb the glass. But as these windows get older, when we try to pop this out, then the glass will break. So when we're dealing with the insurance company, we're having to go through, if we're repairing these items, which you have to, we're having to replace the actual glass. So it is, it's one of these kind of deals like, is this a time to upgrade the windows, or you know, what is the process even with redoing these the glass panes with the vinyl beading? Is this, you know, we're just going to actually keep the project with that type of scope? We're experienced with it, and dealing with the insurance company is there's a due process to make sure and get that approval before we do the work, just so no one has a surprise. But again, this is Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. If there's anything we can do for you, and this is just one example of keeping things smooth and taking care of your home, give me a shout. It's 214-535-0888. And always remember, we got you covered.